Welcome back to the farm, everybody. In this video, we're going to show you our top 3 tricks to successful seed starting. Trick number 1 is going to save you some money. Trick number 2 is going to provide healthier seedlings for your garden. And tip number 3 is going to stop dampening off a fungus that affects new seedlings. As always, if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. We appreciate it. And any of the tools you see are located in the link below in the description in our Amazon store. Let's get to it. All right, tip number 1 is do not buy pre-made seed starting mix. Find yourself a good organic regular potting soil that you like to use. I use Coco Loco because I like the coconut core in it. This costs 1/3 of the price of the pre-made seed starting mixes. And the only thing I need to do to make it work for seed starting is I'm going to sift it through my homemade 1/8 inch wire used 2x4 screener. You can find these pre-made too online. I'm going to put it in the wheelbarrow and I use that to start all the seeds. All right, tip number 2 is to use soil blocks instead of plastic containers to start your seedlings in. The plastic containers, as your seedling is growing, the roots will spin around and become root bound inside the plastic container. When you use soil blocks, the roots stop when they hit air and they're ready to go out in the field. They can just take off from there. This is a much more stressful experience for your plants to get going. This is a quicker process. Soil blocks are easy. You can find the tools on the market. They're easy to use. As a matter of fact, it's only a 3-step process. If you'd like us to make a video on how to make soil blocks, put it in the comments below. All right, tip number 3 you probably have in your kitchen. This is just ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is an antifungal, and dampening off is fungus growing on your soil that eventually kills the plant, chops it down where the seedling touches the soil. So you just need to sprinkle some of this on the sprinkle side of the top of the container. It does not take much. Plant your seeds in, and it makes your growing space smell like Christmas. Hope those 3 tips help you in your garden. Let us know in the comments below which one you're going to try. Until the next video, live life in full bloom.